Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I will present my research entitled by Positive Politeness in Donald Trump's speech after Iran airstrikes. The study examines how Donald Trump used positive politeness strategies to build solidarity and reduce social distance with the audience during political crisis. On the first, we will talking about the background. The first is political speeches become important during crisis. The meaning here is during political crisis, leader must explain controversial decision while maintaining public trust. The second is language functions beyond communication. Our language is not only used to provide information but also to justify decision and create unity. And the last is positive politeness help with solidarity. One important strategy is positive politeness, which help reduce social distance and strengthen relationship with audience. Okay, we intro the research problem. The first is limit studies on crisis response speeches. The previous studies mostly analyze political campaign or ceremonial speeches. Most previous studies focus on campaign or ceremonial speeches. However, crisis speeches related to military conflict have received less attention, and military crisis speeches require different communication strategies. Therefore, the study investigates how positive politeness works in a geopolitical crisis context. And the last is research question. There is two questions. The first is what type of positive politeness strategy are used, or we can say what types of positive politeness strategies are used by Trump. The second is how are the strategies used to construct solidarity and reduce social distance, or we can say how do the strategies help to construct solidarity and reduce social distance. And the next is we're talking about the objective. The first is identify positive politeness strategies, or to identify the positive politeness strategic used in speech. Analyze their function in political crisis discourse. To analyze how the strategies function in building solidarity and national identity. So, about theoretical framework, I use this for theoretical. The first is Brown and Levinson, 1987. So, positive phase, positive politeness, and the last 15 positive politeness strategic. These studies use Brown and Levinson politeness theory. Positive phase refers to the desire to be appreciated and accepted. And positive politeness strategies aim to reduce social distance and create closeness. And last, Brown and Levinson propose 15 positive politeness strategies. For research method, I use qualitative pragmatic discourse analysis. The study employs qualitative pragmatic discourse analysis. This research Trump's speech on 8 January 2020. The data come from Trump's speech delivered on January 8, 2020, and documentation method. Data were collected through the documentation, Miles and Haberman analysis model, or analysis follow Miles Haberman model. There are data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. And for finding, there are 14 out of 15 strategies identified. Joke strategy was absent and total occurrence is 51. The finding revealed that Trump used 14 out of 15 positive politeness strategies. The only absent strategy was the joke strategy. In total, 51 occurs of positive politeness strategies were identified. And here, most dominant strategies, there is 3: exaggeration, in-group identity marker, and giving gifts to Harrier. But I will just one example: exaggeration. The example is massive precision strike. Trump frequently uses exaggerate expression. The second, spectacular military success. This expression amplified military success and project American strength. And the last is completely and totally obliterated. Or excision become an important persuasive tool in the speech. For discussion, positive politeness is not merely interpersonal. The findings suggest that positive politeness goes beyond maintaining relationship. It also serves rhetorical and ideological function. It also functions to justify military action and reinforce political legitimacy. Support and Verleu's theory of language and power. It supports Verleu's argument that political discourse is closely related to power and ideology. And for conclusion, positive politeness constructs solidarity. In conclusion, positive politeness plays an important role in crisis communication. Reduce social distance. It helps leader contracts solidarity, reduce social distance and legitimate authority. And the last, legitimate authority during crisis. Therefore, politeness strategies and serve both interpersonal and politeness purpose. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.